Tiltonhaus German Shepherds. These puppies are 6.5 weeks old today. They were born February 18th. This is Pink Collar Girl. Can you hold her up there, Trevor, for a second? Okay, just let her run around there for a second. That's Pink Collar Girl. She wants on my son's lap. Okay, next puppy is Blue Collar Boy. Him down there. Oh, I think he might have to maybe use the restroom there. Going potty. That's Blue Collar Boy. Why don't you call him over there, Teb? Okay, so we'll let him do his business, and we'll go on to the next puppy, which is Orange Collar Boy. This is Orange Collar Boy. You want to hold him up? Turn his face. Okay, let him play there. It's Orange Collar Boy. It's going to go, now Orange Collar Boy is going to use the restroom. And we'll go on to the next puppy, which is Black Collar Boy. Whoops, he got the wrong puppy. So who are you holding there, Trevor?
This is Blue.
Blue. And then that's Orange, getting back on his lap. They love my son because actually a lady's his dog, and so he spends a lot of times with these puppies. So this is Black Collar Boy. That's Black Collar Boy. And then next is going to be Brown. So this is Black Collar. I'll let Black Collar go play. Brown. Tanner. Oh, you're getting Blue away. Okay. So this is Black Collar Boy. He wants the rest of the puppies. So this is, go ahead and give him Brown Collar. Trevor, go ahead and take Brown Collar. This is Brown Collar Boy. Hi, dear guy. Okay, you can let him down to play. Good.
Puppy. Come here. Yeah. Oh, you want to go ahead.
They like Trevor. Who do you have? You have Brown Collar, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and give him Purple Collar. And we'll let Brown play for a minute. Show Purple. Show Purple face. And then you can put her down. Little squirm bucket. Go ahead, put her down. And then go ahead and take Black Collar away. And now Purple's using the restroom, so we'll let her have her privacy there. And that's Brown Collar. Now Purple Collar's coming on to my son, and he has Brown Collar.
Little crazy.
There's a little Purple Collar she wants. And then next is going to be Green here, so this is still Purple. This will be Green. Go get Red. Go get. Okay, so let Green down. Oh, let me see Green's face a little better. Okay, go ahead and put Green down. This is Red. This is, he's taking Purple right now. This is Red. Turn Red around. Okay, that's Red Collar. Let Red down. And who's that over there? Green's over there using the restroom. Like a good puppy. You do. So now Red is getting on my son's lap. Tanner's going to go ahead, my son's going to go ahead and give him Blue. We're going to put them all back in together now. They're all very happy puppies. There's Pink. trying to make it where you can tell the colors, but it's hard. I tried to tie ribbons on them. Some of you have picked out your puppies, some have not. Who do you have on your lap right now? That's Brown snuggling you, right? White in your shirt. Okay, give him orange. Trevor, take orange collar. Okay. They all want attention. And that's purple. The one with the little ears up is purple collar. Purple collar is going to Alaska. She's already been picked out. This is black collar, which has the longest ribbons, which the other puppies are definitely going to pull on. Okay, now who's it's pink collar. Okay, who's getting on your lap? Purple. Huh. Okay. There's Brownie's putting down right now. Chewing on the toy right here. This is green. Green, right? Is that green over there?
Yeah.
Chewing on that toy. Okay. Uh-oh. Red's getting Orange's collar. Better save them. We do not leave these ribbons on. This is just for the video. As you can see, they try to pull each other's off. Red's going to pull off his own. And green collar, we don't play with toys in the potty area.